my sweetheart. I find myself counting the moments until I can see you again. And with every heartbeat, my love for you only grows stronger. You are not just the woman I love, the missing piece of my soul. The light that makes every day worth living. But with you, even the simplest moments become beautiful. I love you more than words could ever capture. You make me smile when I don't even realize I need it. You have given my life meaning, hope, and joy beyond measure. I am endlessly thankful for you, for your love, your patience, your laughter, and your heart that beats with mine. I promise you this, my love will never fade. In every sunrise, in every lifetime, you are my safe place, my best friend, my soulmate, and my forever. You are always with me in my thoughts. So, see you soon, my sweetheart. Until then, carry my love with you and know I am yours always. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.